Do you wish that you had more discipline for working out? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to increase your discipline and how you can be more consistent with your workouts. Hey guys, my name is Dean. Welcome to Manflow Yoga. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can increase your discipline for working out. How can you increase your motivation for working out? How can you be more consistent with your workouts? And ultimately, how can you get the results that you want? Now, just a few days ago, actually yesterday, I was having a conversation with someone on Instagram about discipline. And this is something that comes up all the time. I get comments on almost every post that I do where people say, I wish that I had more discipline for working out, or I wish that I was as motivated as you are. And I think the first thing to understand is that there is a disconnect between what discipline is and how discipline is developed. So discipline is not something that you have or you don't. In my mind, I think, and also what I believe based on what I've read, based on other high performers that I've interacted with and spoken with, discipline is not something that you have or you don't. It's not something that it's not like energy. It's not something that you have or you don't. You don't have high discipline one day and low discipline another day. Discipline is the sum of habits that you build for yourself. Let me say that again. Discipline is nothing more than the sum of the habits that you have built for yourself. So habits are what we do on a daily basis or on a subconscious level. It's something that we do without realizing it. And so habits, or our discipline, is the sum of these subconscious activities that we build for ourselves. So basically, discipline is a function of how much time and effort have you put in over the last few years to create habits for yourself that you don't even think about doing anymore. So discipline comes from building one habit on top of the other. So if you're looking to increase your discipline, you need to build more good habits. So for example, for me, daily exercise is a habit. It's something that I just do every day because I've gotten used to doing it. So if you're interested in increasing your discipline for fitness, then you need to establish a habit of working out. And to do that, you want to do things at the same time every day in mimicking the same situation as much as possible. So habits are formed in the same environment and when the same conditions are met. Basically, you are building kind of a groove in your brain that says that when you are at this particular location or when you are in this situation at this specific time with these specific things, you will act in a specific way. So when it comes to establishing a habit of fitness or building discipline, you want to do your workout the same time every day in the same location, right? So if you work out at home, you're going to do it at the same place every day at 7 a.m. And you're just going to force yourself to do that until it becomes something that you don't have to think about. And then when you're done with that, you move on to building another habit. But a big mistake that people make is that they try to build all of these habits at once. And that's just not sustainable. So what we want to do, if you want to increase your discipline for fitness, is do your workouts at the same time every day until it becomes a habit, until it becomes something you don't have to think about. Track your progress. So have a notebook where you write down your workouts, write about your successes in those workouts, keep a log of what you've done, and that's a way for you to kind of help motivate yourself to make sure that you're doing your workouts. It's a physical representation of the hard work that you've put in. If you need to reward yourself, you can reward yourself with something small, ideally something that reinforces healthy fitness behavior, not something that is, unhealthy. We don't want to do a workout and then go eat a gallon of ice cream. Maybe we go do a workout, and then if we do 3 workouts that week, we get to have a massage on the weekend, right? Or we get to do something fitness related that we enjoy. But you do want to reward good behavior. You shouldn't punish bad behavior though. So we want to do the work at the same time every day. We want to reward yourself for good behavior, and we want to keep a workout log. So keep track of your workouts somehow. Make sure that you have a physical representation, something that you can look at that says, hey, you're doing your workouts, keep that up. So I hope this was helpful. Again, the whole goal here is to help you build discipline or increase your discipline by building habits on top of one another. And that's the truth of what discipline is. It's not something you have or you don't. It is the sum of habits that you've built for yourself. So I hope you found this video useful. Make sure to like it. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe. We put out content like this on a very regular basis. And hit the bell button to get notifications for when new videos are released. Thanks again for watching this video. I'd love to hear from you if you want to leave a comment and let me know about your struggles with increasing discipline, or your struggles about building habits. That'll actually help me create content that's relevant to you. So if you want to leave a comment, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.